Make all your project wishes come true with the Innov M240ED embroidery machine. This state-of-the-art machine offers 125 built-in patterns featuring 45 magical Disney character designs and 10 fonts. With a handy USB port for you to upload your own and third-party designs, you can easily add endless enchantment to your embroidery projects. It comes with a 3.7-inch colour LCD touchscreen. All the functions are on one convenient panel, allowing you to manage everything with a simple touch of the screen for ease of use. For a quick and easy way to wind lower thread, use the bobbin winding system. Simply load the bobbin on the winder and the thread guide will show you which way to go. The handy automatic thread cutter cuts upper and lower thread with the touch of a button, along with thread sensors that warn you when thread is broken or has run out. With the 100 by 100 mm embroidery area, simply set the embroidery unit and frame, then select a pattern, and you're ready to go. The super bright LED light makes it easier to work on dark fabrics and to highlight the fine detail of your stitches. With a soft cover to protect your machine and a 3-year warranty for peace of mind, this is the go-to embroidery machine to let your creativity flourish.